In the many years I've had MECFS, I've gotten out of being bedridden 3 times. Want to know my secret? No, it's not a miracle cure. Hey Survivor family, Rachel here with Survival of the Fatigued, your real talk and real tips for coping with moderate to severe MECFS. So instead of just sharing my personal routine, I decided to instead share my secret 3-step framework to build your own. Quick note, as usual, I'm not monetized. If you're getting YouTube ads like crazy, please don't bail. This video is going to be worth it. Step 1. Find your bad day baseline. That's the first mistake a lot of people make when they try to build a routine. They try to base it on their decent or good days instead of their worst days. No, your baseline's your worst day. Now, how do you find your baseline? Well, first, you take a week minimum to do as little as possible. And track how you're feeling every day on an app or a journal. Maybe you can take a shower just fine, but you notice you crash if you try to wash your hair. Or maybe just eating and sleeping is your limit. Whatever you can do every day without triggering a flare or post-exertional malaise, that is your baseline starting point. And the reason for this is so that you're never accidentally pushing yourself into PEM. And by the way, guys, when I was at my worst, I bathed about once every other month at most. So really, don't shame yourself if you can do a lot less than you expected. Step 2, lock in consistency. Next step, make your days stupidly predictable. Do the same things at the same times every single day. Even meals matter. Same time every day, same amount of food, no skipping meals ever. Basically, by doing this repetition builds muscle memory. So your body then expects the same load every day. For example, schedule a low energy cleaning task every day, like a household chore from 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. One day you're sweeping at that time, 5 p.m. to 6. The next day you're mopping at that same time. The next day you're dusting. Why? Because they all use similar arm movements and they all involve either you doing the whole house or one room of the house, depending on how bad you are. By doing similar movements at the same times every day, your body builds up not only a muscle memory, but an energy kind of memory where it knows how much energy it's going to need at certain times of the day. And it has it stored. Step 3, micro build muscle memory. You've now got your super basic routine going. You've been doing it a while and you know it won't hurt you. How do you add on to that? Micro building. For example, I was on that channel hiatus for a year and during it, I knew I needed and wanted to get back to doing this. But I was so severe, it wasn't possible. So what did I need to be able to restart this channel? Well, 1, I needed to be able to talk for about an hour to be able to record these. So how do I micro build that? Well, what I did was I started calling up a friend or a family member every day at 2 p.m. And at first I could only do 5 minutes and my voice was hoarse, gone. But I slowly was able to build that up to the hour that I needed. You can basically do the same thing for building up other daily tasks. The point is, go excruciatingly slow, like weeks or months slow. More likely months or years if you're more severe. And bed rest is non-negotiable. Outside of my planned tasks, I'm horizontal most of the day. And if you are starting to flare when you add something new, you're gonna need to pause these micro movements until you stabilize. And then start from scratch. Sorry. Got your routine plan down, but people around you are constantly wrecking or sabotaging you? Watch this video next. 5 signs your energy is being stolen by an energy vampire. And click on that notification bell, please. YouTube's sneaky algorithm loves hiding my videos. Keep on surviving, my friends.